We're a company that has a long history of providing support and providing account management for our customers. One of the things that we started with was the idea of customer journey maps and really trying to get very serious. But I didn't know what I didn't know. And by engaging with a consultant like CSM Practice, you get the customer journey map in place and you can start building out playbooks, and you're just more likely to be able to respond to customer needs in a much more effective fashion.
Our customer success organization was at a point where we knew a lot about our customers, but we did not know a lot about customer success as a discipline. I was very impressed with CSM Practice's ability to seek to understand. I felt like they did a lot of upfront work to understand our business, understand our customers, understand our unique struggles and things that we wanted to get out of the engagement, as opposed to coming in and sort of preaching a discipline or a methodology that didn't necessarily apply to our unique business. We were taught the framework of a customer journey map and using that to understand all the different life cycles of our customers and how we can operationalize around those and how we can build in metrics to understand when a customer might be ready to move to different phases of their life cycle. I think that's probably the place where our engagement with CSM Practice is maybe the most visible. When you put a more formal framework around it and you really sort of canonize the way that we treat our customers, it just makes it so much easier.
By starting with that, we're able to start to align the various segment teams' processes around this kind of common vocabulary and this common set of practices that I think without question it's made us more efficient.